what if you could test a new price and see the results, well, instantly? Today we're looking at Dream Price, an AI that does just that. We'll see how pricing usually works, then jump into the AI's mind to see how it imagines a better way.
You see, retail pricing has always been a waiting game, but Dream Price changes the rules, turning waiting into imagining.
Normally, you change a price and then you just wait. Weeks go by just to see if one tiny change worked.
That delay happens because real-world things like promotions or even the weather take time to play out.
But Dream Price doesn't wait. It uses something pretty cool called a learned world model to peek into the future.
Basically, this is the AI's imagination, a virtual copy of the retail world that it learned from data.
It takes real-world data, like prices and sales, and translates it into its own abstract language to work with.
And in this space, it simulates an entire 13-week retail quarter in the blink of an eye.
It's not one big guess. It's a 13-step rollout, where it imagines an entire quarter week by week.
At each imagined week, an actor inside the AI suggests a price, and the model predicts what happens next.
Under the hood, a Mamba 2 architecture powers this whole sequence, while a reward ensemble predicts the financial outcome.
Okay, this all sounds great, but there's a catch. An AI's imagination can be a pretty dangerous thing.
Right. If the AI imagines a strategy that's too new or different, it can get way too optimistic about the results.
So to solve this, Dream Price has a secret weapon, a built-in layer of programmed pessimism.
This forces the AI to aim for a safe, reliable reward instead of just chasing some wild best-case scenario.
And how important is this pessimism? Well, without it, the AI's performance absolutely collapses. And you can see it right here. This chart shows that pessimism isn't just a feature, it's the most critical part. It also uses a causal decoder to figure out true cause and effect, so it doesn't get confused by weird correlations.
This makes sure its imagination stays grounded in solid economics, not just historical data quirks.
So what's the big takeaway? It imagines an entire quarter of consequences before ever touching a real price tag.
It's changing retail, for sure. But it really makes you wonder, what other complex future could we learn to imagine?